Hello students, we are here with a poem and the poem name is Bird Song. The name of the poem is Bird Song and this poem is a request and this request is made to us by poet. So poet is making us a request and he is saying what? We have to see the beauty of the nature. And how can we see the beauty of the nature? To see the beauty of nature, we have to go outside. If you are sitting in our house, if we are sitting at our home, so we cannot see the beauty of the nature. And the beauty lies everywhere. Just we have to open our mind, we have to open our eyes to see the beauty. But we do not have time to see the beauty. So that's why the poet is saying, hey, you have to go outside. You have to go to the woods someday to see the beauty. When you will go outside, you will see all the things. Nature is full of beauties. This nature is full of beauties. And yes, in this poem, the poet is saying, there is beauty in everything. There is beauty in a tree. There is beauty in the shade of the tree. There is a beauty in the in any animal. And yes, that animal has the things just like the paws, just like the feet, just like the head. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. So to see the beauty, we have to leave our comfort zone. So in the first stanza, it is told what? When we will be at our house, so we cannot see, we cannot enjoy the beauty of nature. No. So to see, to enjoy the beauty of nature, we have to go outside. We have to see the outer world. So let's start the poem. Hello students, this is the poem Bird Song. So let's start the poem. He does not know the world at all, who stays in his nest and does not go out. So he does not know the world at all. उसको दुनिया के बारे में नहीं पता. Who stays in his nest and does not go out. जो अपने घर में रहता है, जो अपने घोंसले में रहता है और जो दुनिया घर से बाहर नहीं निकलता, तो उसे दुनिया के बारे में नहीं पता है. So the poet is saying in the first line what? He does not know the world at all. So a person who is staying, a bird who is staying in in its nest, and a person who is in his house and not going outside, he cannot take the enjoy. He cannot take the enjoy of the nature. He cannot see the beauty of the nature. While we are at home, so how can we see the nature? No. So to see the nature, we have to go outside. So the poet is saying that what? He does not know the world at all. कि उसको दुनिया के बारे में पता ही नहीं है. Who stays in his nest? His nest mean यहाँ पे क्या है? बर्ड के लिए तो हमने नेस्ट यूज कर लिया, बट हम यहाँ पे होम का यूज कर रहे हैं, घर का यूज कर रहे हैं, एक मकान का यूज कर रहे हैं. Who stays in his nest? जो अपने घर में रुका रहता है. And does not go out, और बाहर नहीं निकलता है, तो उसे दुनिया का नहीं पता होगा. वो दुनिया को कैसे जानेगा? He does not know what birds know best. तो अगर एक इंसान, a person who is in his house, so he cannot know what birds know best. कि birds कितना अच्छा जानते हैं. What? किसके बारे में अच्छा जानते हैं? नेचर के बारे में कितना अच्छा जानते हैं. तो एक इंसान को उसको नहीं पता होगा जो घर में रुका हुआ है, उसको नहीं पता होगा. Nor what I want to sing about. और ना ही ये पता होगा कि एक बर्ड क्या गाता है. और nor what I want to sing about. कि एक बर्ड क्या गाता है इसके बारे में उसको नहीं पता होगा. नेक्स्ट कहा the world is full of loveliness. कि जो दुनिया है ये खूबसूरती से, लवलीनेस से, प्यार से, सुंदरता से भरी पड़ी है. So what is full of loveliness? This world is full of loveliness. And when will we come to know about this? How can we see, how can we feel this loveliness? When we will go outside of the house, when we will leave our comfort zone, then we can see, then we can feel the beauty of the nature. then we can enjoy the nature, beauty of the nature. So I put two pictures here. One, a person is in his house, he is not going outside, but on the other hand, a boy is outside who is in the nature, and he is taking enjoy of the nature. So because he left his house, he went outside to see the nature, but an old man is staying in his house, so he cannot take the enjoy of the beauty. So if you want to take the enjoy of the beauty, we have to go outside, we have to leave our comfort zone, we have to go in the beauty, we have to go in the nature to see the beauty. So this was our stanza first. So now this is our stanza second. Yes, so stanza second. When few dewdrops sparkle on the grass. When dew mean ओस की बूंदें, yes, to sparkle चमकती हैं on the grass, घास के ऊपर, and earth afloat with morning light. और जब दुनिया, ये जो धरती है, ये भर जाती है, अफल्ड हो जाती है with morning light, सुबह की लाइट से. When the morning, yes, when the sun rises, yes, dark fled away, dark run away. And what happened? This earth became full of light when the sun came on the earth. So when the sun comes, yes, after night, when the sun comes after night, in the morning time, this earth is full of morning light, full of light. Yes, a blackbird sings upon a bus, and a blackbird sings upon the bus. And when it is a morning time, a bird sings upon the bus. You can see a photograph, a bird, a blackbird is sitting on a bus, and yes, that bird is chirping, and that bird is singing a song. And what that song? Yes, that bird is singing a song, and that bird is greeting us. Good morning. Yes, that bird, to greet. Yes, a bird is sitting on the bus, and to sit on that bus, that bird is singing a song. And what is that song? That song mean that bird is wishing to us good morning. So वो जो बर्ड है, वो उस झाड़ी के ऊपर बैठ के जो गीत गाता है, वो गीत क्या गाता है? वो गीत गाता है, वो हमें विश करता है, हमें गुड मॉर्निंग बोलता है. Then I know how fine it is to live. तो when I know, जब ये मुझे पता चला तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि देखो ये बर्ड भी हमारे लिए गाते हैं, ये भी कितने सुंदर हैं कि हमारे लिए गा रहे हैं, और ये दुनिया कितनी सुंदर है रहने के लिए. Yes, so when dewdrops sparkle on the grass. Yes, so when in the morning time we can see outside, and some grasses are there, and on that grass we can see dewdrops, and these dewdrops are sparkle on the grass. Why? Because this is also a beauty. And yes, when the sun comes after night, this earth became full of morning light. Yes, there will be no dark when the sun comes. When sun comes, there will be no dark, and yes, this earth became full of light. So अफल्ड मीन भर जाती है, किससे? मॉर्निंग लाइट से भर जाती है. A bird sings upon a bus. और एक जो बर्ड है जो झाड़ी के ऊपर बैठ के गाता है, और वो गाता है क्या? वो हमें ग्रीट करता है, हमें गुड मॉर्निंग बोलता है. द डॉर्निंग आफ्टर नाइट, क्योंकि सुबह, रात के बाद सुबह हुई है, तो सभी को हमें विश करता है. Then I know how fine it is to live. और तब मुझे पता चला कि ये धरती जो है, ये नेचर जो है, कितनी सुंदर है इस रहने के लिए. Yes, you can see a photograph. Yes, you can see this is grass, and on this grass, yes, you can see the sparkles. Yes, dew drops, and you can see the sparkle of that drops. Yes, this is the rising sun, and it is rising sun. Yes, you finishes, this rising sun finishes the dark, and yes, when this sun comes, the earth, yes, the earth became full of light, and the bird is singing, and that bird is singing and to wishing us good morning. So this is our stanza second. Hope you got it. Now we are going to stanza third. Yes, hey, try to open your heart. Now the poet is making a request to us, and he is saying to us that yes, try to open your heart. यस, ये अपना दिल खोलिए, अपना दिल खोलने की कोशिश कीजिए। किसके लिए हमें अपना दिल खोलना है? टू ब्यूटी एंड टू गो टू द वुड समडे। और किसी दिन आप जंगल में जाइए। इफ यू वांट टू सी द ब्यूटी यू हैव टू गो टू द जंगल, यू हैव टू गो टू द वुड्स समडे and weave a wreath of memory there and go there, and yes you have to go, and yes you have to collect the memories. Which beauties you see there, all beauties should be kept in your memories. आपने वो सारी मेमोरीज को इकट्ठा कर लेना है। एंड इफ द टीयर्स ऑब्सक्योर योर वे एंड व्हेन यस यू सी द ब्यूटी एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू क्राई, यस यू टीयर्स ऑब्सक्योर, यस यू टीयर्स अगर आपका रास्ता रोकते हैं ब्यूटी को देखने के लिए, यू विल नाउ हाउ वंडरफुल इट इज टू बी अलाइव। तो फिर तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि ये दुनिया कितनी अजीब है, कितनी सुंदर है, कितनी अद्भुत है रहने के लिए, टू बी अलाइव, जिंदा रहने के लिए। सो this was our poem, and in this poem we came to know that there is a beauty, but we do not have time to see the beauty. We have to go outside to see the beauty. Hope you got it. Thank you. Have a nice day.